How to update to iOS 26 on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to update iOS 26 on your iPhone. So let's get started. First things first, open up your settings and then head over to General and then go to iPhone Storage. So you'll need at least 17 gigabytes of free space to download and install iOS 26. So if you are low on space, consider deleting some apps you don't use. You can go to the apps and then just tap on offload app or delete app, or you can just go to photos and then you can empty your recently deleted album or review your videos that are taking up much space and then delete it. And that's it. Once you have checked up your storage and then you have backed up your iPhone, you can just come back and then you can go to software update and then you'll be able to install iOS 26. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.